Today, that's you told me. Tell me I'm okay.
Okay. Everything's gonna be okay.
Excuse me. Fucking house party, Frank? What grade are you in?
Grade A. Frank's the best grade.
Christ.
And finally, number 14. Tell us, what do you think makes you a good friend?
Like, I'm really good listener. I could listen to you for hours again.
Thank you, number 14. You may be seated. And that concludes our interview portion. It's tough to say at this time, but right now, I think number 14 might be in the lead.
Thanks.
Now, our next test is simple. I ask, you answer. Just simple word association.
Another round of shots.
Yes. Gretzky or Orr?
Gretzky.
Gretzky. Hoops or soccer? Excellent. Polo shirt or tank top with gold chains?
Polo shirt.
Who said polo? You're gone, son. I'll share just saying. Fries in a frosty Wendy's or Buffalo Mexican